Hello everyone. Welcome to this module of Check for Blue Match of Bearing Surfaces, both flat and curved surfaces by Whitworth method. In this video, we will understand need for scraping surface, Whitworth Principle, and checking for blue match of bearing surfaces, both flat and curved surfaces by Whitworth method.
How does one obtain a flat surface? If three plates are compared with one another in alternate pairs, they will only mate perfectly in all positions when they are absolutely flat. File and ensure that all the three plates are finished to size and square. Stamp the plates X, Y, and Z with a letter punch. Apply a very thin uniform coating of Prussian blue on the faces of plates X and Y, which are to be scrapped. Keep both the pieces together and rub the plates back and forth against each other. Observe the high spots on the plates X and Y, remove by scraping with knitted cotton cloth. Rub with an oil stone gently to remove the burrs and again clean with knitted cotton cloth. Repeat the same procedure till both the faces are mating with good bearing surfaces. Apply a very thin uniform coating or Prussian blue on the face of the plate Z, which is to be scrapped. Keep the faces of the plates X and Z together and rub the plates back and forth against each other. Observe the high spots on the plate Z and remove by scraping. Repeat the same procedure till both the faces of the plates X and Z are mating with good. Repeat the procedure till the faces of plates Y and Z are mating with good bearing surfaces. Now, one cycle of operation is completed. Plate X will mate with plates Y and Z, but Y and Z will not mate. All the three plates mate only when all the three are flat. So, repeat the cycle a number of times till interchangeable, flat, good bearing surfaces are achieved. For scraping flat surfaces, the following two scrapers are used. Flat scrapers with rectangular blades. Used for scraping large flat surfaces. The working edge is not thicker than 3 mm. Hook scrapers with rectangular blades. Used for scraping the center portion of large flat surface where it is not convenient to use flat scraper. A half-round scraper is the most suitable scraper for scraping curved surfaces. For scraping curved surfaces, the handle is held by hand in such a way as to facilitate the movement of the scraper in the required direction. Pressure is exerted with the other hand on the shank for cutting. Rough scraping will need excessive pressure with longer strokes. For fine scraping, pressure is reduced and the stroke length also becomes shorter. Cutting action takes place both on forward and return strokes. During the forward movement, one cutting edge acts and on the return stroke, the other cutting edge acts. After each pass, change the direction of cutting. This ensures a uniform surface. Use a master bar to check the correctness of the surface being scraped. Apply a thin coating of Prussian blue on the master bar to locate the high spots. For scraping on flat surface. Check the raw material for its size. File metal to size 96 by 96 by 10 mm, maintaining flatness and squareness. Check the size with vernier caliper. Clean the surface plate with soft cloth. Apply Prussian blue evenly on the surface plate. Place the job on surface plate and move slightly forward and backward. Take the job from surface plate and notice the blue spotted marks on the flat surface. Hold the job in benchwise. Scrap and remove the high spots on the flat surface of the job using flat scraper. Wipe off the scraped surface with soft cloth to remove burrs. Again, place the scraped surface on Prussian blue applied surface and move forward and backward and notice the high spot marks. Repeat the scraping process until the Prussian blue spotted marks spread over the entire surface of the job. Wipe off the scraped surface with soft cloth. Apply thin coat of oil and preserve it for evaluation. Now, checking the blue match on flat surface. After scraping the flat surface, clean the surface plate with soft cloth. Apply Prussian blue evenly on the surface plate. Place the job on the surface plate. Move slightly forward and backward and notice the blue match spread over the entire flat surface. For scraping on curved surface, check the raw material for its size. File metal to size 90 by 48 by 18 mm, maintaining flatness and squareness. Check the size with vernier caliper. Apply marking media, mark and punch. Chain drill holes remove excess material. Cut and remove the hatched portion of chain drilled holes, excess metal using web chisel and ball peen hammer. File curved surface with half round file and check the curved profile with template.
Hold the round test bar diameter 60 mm in bench vise along with vise clamps.
Apply thin coat of Prussian blue on the one end of cylindrical surface of test bar. Place the curved surface of the job on Prussian blue applied test bar and rotate back and forth. Notice the blue spotted marks on curved surface. Hold the job in bench vise. Scrap and remove the high spots on the curved profile surface using half round scraper. Wipe off the scraped surface with soft cloth to remove burrs. Again, apply Prussian blue on the test bar and place the curved scrapped surface on test bar and rotate back and forth. Repeat the scrapping process until the Prussian blue spotted marks spread over the entire curved surface of the job. Wipe off the scraped surface with soft cloth. Apply thin coat of oil and preserve it for evaluation. To check the blue match on curved surface. After scraping the curved surface, clean the cylindrical test bar with soft cloth. Hold the test bar in bench vise along with vise clamp. Apply Prussian blue evenly on the curvature of the test bar. Place the curved surface of the job on test bar and rotate slightly on back and forth. Notice the blue match spread over the entire curved surface.
In this video, we learnt to originate flat scraped surfaces by the 3-plate method or Whitworth Principle. to check for blue match of both flat and curved bearing surfaces. Thank you for watching.